Let's make this 4-segment SWOT slide together. First, insert a hexagon shape and place it in the upper left part of your slide. Resize the shape to 4 centimeters for height and 5 centimeters for width. Then make sure to remove the outline. Type the letter S into the shape. With the text effects drop down, add a shadow to your letter. Then go to the Home tab and adjust the writing size to 40. In a second step, duplicate your shape 3 more times. Arrange the hexagons in a zigzag pattern at the center of your slide. You can use the red guiding lines for an even distribution. To ensure even spacing, you can also use the Arrange drop-down. For this, select all shapes, and under Align, select Distribute vertically. Next, select the 2 shapes on the right side and make sure they are aligned on the right. Repeat the same for the 2 shapes on the left side, selecting the Align Left option in the drop-down. If you still see the need for more balance after this, you can do some manual adjustments. Finally, select all the shapes and group them. Then, using the Align drop-down, ensure a central placement on the slide by selecting Align Center and then Align Middle. Then ungroup the shapes again. To finish the center part of the slide, adjust the letters in the hexagon shapes to spell S, W, O, and T. Then select the 2 right side shapes and give them a shadow on the lower right. Repeat this process for the left side shapes, giving them a shadow on the lower left side. Next, we move on to the rectangular text boxes. For this, insert a rectangle shape and make sure to remove the outline. Give the shape a different fill color than the hexagons. Then resize to 4 centimeters for height and 13 centimeters for width. Using the red guiding lines, align the rectangle with the hexagon as shown. Then select Send to Back in the upper right toolbar. Enter your text into the shape and go to the Home tab to format it further. There you can adjust the formatting to be left bound, increase the writing size, and adjust the text color for better contrast. If needed, you can also include bullet points. Once the text is formatted, copy-paste the rectangle 4 times and place 1 next to each hexagon. Again, use the red guiding lines to make sure all shapes are evenly spaced and well aligned. Don't forget to send all the rectangles to the back. To avoid an overlapping of the text with the hexagon shapes, do a right-click on the shape and select Format Object. Follow the steps shown on screen to get to the text box segment. There you can adjust the left side margin to 2.5 centimeters. Now select the rectangles on the left side of the slide. Since the hexagon is placed on the right side, the right-hand side margin needs to be increased to 2.5 for these 2 shapes. And there, you have your final slide. Feel free to adjust colors and writing styles to your individual needs. Of course, this slide is not limited to the SWOT analysis. The hexagons can also be filled with numbers or icons to depict other segmentations. For more quick and easy tutorials like this, give us a follow, and we will be happy to make your life easier a couple of minutes at a time.